Fine.
Why don't I get?
Can mommy and daddy get up?
No, daddy sit down.
Can mommy get up?
Huh?
Can I get up?
No, why don't you get up? No. Sit down, Water.
What?
I tell you to get up. I will take that. You take that.
We're a hostage. You're gonna piss him off, kid.
You're gonna get in trouble.
Fine. What? This is weird. I can't have a 2-year-old tell me what to do.
Apparently you can.
Obviously. I'm gonna get up now. Can I have a duck? Fine. Okay.
Be nice.
I don't really. Okay, have fun.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna stay. You gonna get more snack? Can we come and get snack?
Well, open the door.